If you're a small business owner looking to streamline your sales process, setting up Salesflare might just be the game changer you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up Salesflare step by step so you can get started with the right tools to grow your business. Stick around because I'll also tell you how you can use Salesflare completely free with exclusive bonuses at the end of this video. First things first, Salesflare is a CRM tool designed to make managing your sales pipeline easier than ever. It integrates with your email and calendar, automates repetitive tasks, and provides insights to help you close more deals. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Salesflare makes everything intuitive, especially for small businesses. To get started, sign up for Salesflare using the link in the description. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is connect your email accounts. Salesflare works seamlessly with Gmail, Office 365, and several other email providers, so syncing your inbox is simple. This integration helps you track emails and ensure you never miss an important message from your prospects. Next, connect your calendar. This allows you to sync meetings, calls, and appointments directly into your CRM. This integration is essential for keeping track of your sales activities without jumping between multiple apps. Once you have your email and calendar set up, it's time to customize your pipeline. Salesflare allows you to create custom stages based on how your business operates. For example, you can set up stages like lead generation, qualified lead, meeting scheduled, and deal closed. This will give you a clear view of where each of your deals stands in the process. Now, let's talk about contacts. Salesflare automatically pulls in details from your email conversations and other connected tools to create detailed contact profiles. As you interact with prospects, the software updates these profiles automatically, saving you time and effort in managing all your relationships. You can also manually add new contacts or upload contact lists if you have them. Salesflare also has built-in automation features. For instance, you can set up automated follow-up emails for leads who haven't responded in a set period of time. This is critical for small businesses trying to stay on top of every lead without wasting time on manual follow-ups. One of the best features of Salesflare is its reporting. The platform provides you with real-time insights into how your sales process is performing. You can see detailed metrics on your pipeline, conversion rates, and more. These reports help you make data-driven decisions to refine your strategy and improve your closing rate. As a small business, you likely need to keep your costs down. Fortunately, Salesflare offers an affordable plan for startups, and the best part is you can try it out completely free. By using the link below, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial, so you can experience all the features before committing to a subscription. Setting up Salesflare for your small business doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a few simple steps, you can start automating your sales process, staying organized, and tracking your progress. By integrating with your email, calendar, and contacts, Salesflare helps you save time and increase efficiency so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Don't forget, using the link below gives you access to an exclusive free trial. So, if you're ready to take your sales process to the next level, click the link and start using Salesflare today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.